If hindi mo alam kung paano mo isa-structure yung short form video mo, whether it's for Instagram Reels or TikToks, let me share this 5-part reel structure. Pwede mo din gamitin to for TikToks. And this is one of the things I learned while I'm learning more about content creation. The first part is yung hook. So this is what makes people stop once nakita nila yung video mo. So the next part is the story where you tell people anong nangyari. Kumbaga, you add more context dun sa hook na binigay mo from the start. Next naman is yung tension. So this is the reason why people would keep watching para malaman nila kung anong mangyayari next. And the next part naman is realization. So this is where you will share kung ano yung na-discover mo, kung ano yung mga na-realize mo, kung ano yung mga nangyari after you tried something. And lastly is yung payoff, which is the value or the takeaway na makukuha ng audience mo after watching your video. So whenever we create content, kailangan nating isipin na wag lang tayong magbibigay agad ng answer na dun sa question na tinatanong ng audience mo. We have to take them through our journey, through our realization, ganun, para naman mas engaging siya and talagang mas makakonect ka with the audience. Kasi the more they like you, the more they will trust you. And kapag affiliate ka, for example, once they trust you kasi kung ano man yung ibebenta mo, kung ano man yung i-share mo next time, talagang magte-take action sila whether it's to follow you or to buy the product that you're promoting as an affiliate. That's all for today's lesson, and if hindi mo pa napanood yung ibang lesson, just go back to the playlist and see you on the next one. Don't forget to follow me.